Hello guys, I'm going to be offering the learning opportunity for my online family. This is a class whereby you're going to learn how to create realistic videos like this using the AI.
Welcome to SunPower Africa, leading provider of renewable energy services. We sell, install, repair, and maintain top quality solar systems, general electronics across Cameroon.
Una good afternoon. I know say I fine inside this Bamenda clothes. I know una like me. I know say una be shocked. Say I be AI. I be AI. Yes, sir.
I will also be teaching you on how you can create other videos just by titling the video and AI creates it for you.
What I wish I knew at the start. That comment and share. It means more than words can say.
This is an innovative means of creating content. Even if you can't face the camera like I'm doing, you will use this as the simplest way to create your own content and even advertise your own businesses at the comfort of your home. Remember, if you are on the online space and you don't know how to use things like this, then you are missing out. Come and join me in this class, which begins from the 30th of July 2025. It's just an opportunity I'm giving to my online followers, and this is just like a birthday offer, and I have decided to give this out just for 5,000 francs. You will learn how to create realistic videos using AI, and also you will learn how you can create videos just by putting a title and the video is created for you in few minutes and be part of the class. You can contact this number on your screen or click the link below to join this class. It's going to be a one-week class, which is going to be of intensive training, and I don't want you to miss out. Join me in this class and thank me later. God bless you and see you in the class. Big Benchy Tech Community.
You are welcome to Sapologie Italiano, where style meets excellence. Sapologie is your one-stop shop where you get all your quality suits, Italian leather shoes, and watches.